Hey there, it's Mark from MenWhoBullet. Thanks for hanging out with me today because we are going to unbox a package that I just got in the mail from Desk Gems, which is a new stationery company that I just found out about. This is not a sponsored video or anything else. This is just my love for stationery. You probably know her from Instagram. She's awesome. We're friends on TikTok, and she sent me this viral video of Desk Gems, a video around these clicky stamps. Take a look. So, of course, as soon as I saw that, I think before the video even ended, I was already online. I was trying to find out about Desk Gems, and they were sold out of those little clicky stamps, and I was so sad. But because I'm addicted to stationery, I had to get a few things. So I picked up 2 stamps, or 3 stamps technically, 2 clear stamps, and then another stamp from Eric Small Things. You know, I'm obsessed, absolutely love her. So we're gonna do that. Then after I ordered it, I get a message on Instagram from June, who owns Desk Gems, and she's just saying, hey, thank you for the video. I can't believe how popular that video has been. And those stamps, just so you know, they're gonna be sold out until about April. And I was like, okay, totally get it. I'll be back. Don't you worry. Like, I'm addicted to your whole shop. She's like, but I'm going to put something special inside of your package. Like, thank you for ordering, and we'll go from there. And I was like, oh, well, you're so kind. Thank you. We totally geeked out around just our love for stationery. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I'm really excited to see what extra things she put in here for me. And we'll also check out my stamps too that I purchased because it'll be extra fun. I just love unboxing things, even though I know what's inside because I purchased the things. All right, so wonderfully wrapped package. I just love the packaging of this. This is better than buying from any regular store. No one writes me hand notes. It says, hey, Mark, thanks again. Enjoy, from June. So June is the owner of Desk Gems, and I'm just in love. And look how cool this packaging is. Got some layered stickers and stamps. On top of here, we got the Desk Gems logo here. Some more on there. I just always want to keep this all looking nice. Wrapped in some nice craft paper. Let's check. Oh my goodness. Are you serious? No. June. Okay. So these were the stamps from the video. And June said that she was going to put something special in my package, but I did not know it was going to be these. Oh my gosh. We have to try them all out. Oh, I'm like shaky. That's so exciting. Well, here's what else I got on top of these. That's so cool. All right. So this is, I can't believe that. I'm sorry. I'm like freaking out over here. I thought I wasn't going to get these until April. All right. Open up Eric Small Things packaging. All right, here we go. So these are these really cool stamps from Eric Small Things. Again, just a huge fan of her stamping. I love her designs. It's so cool. So there was a little stamp here that has some little fun things on it. We're gonna do some stuff over here. I know with these you can get a bunch and you can stack them together. So maybe this is if you have them all stacked together, this will help raise or lower it. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that more. I did not know that it did that. But let me just take out my ink pad over here. But what I love so much about Eric Small Things is just her fun designs. And so I will be adding these more to just my bullet journal. It's like, it's kind of reminds me a bit of like what people do with washi tape. For me, I just like stamps a lot more. I like a lot of these things from Eric Small Things. And also from SANBY, SANBY, because they do a lot of cool things where you can like stack things together, and it just makes a lot of sense and looks cool. So this is awesome. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm excited about this, but I still can't believe that I have those. So we have to try them now. That's what we have to do right now. Just getting some of the extra ink off of my new stamp. All right. Let's stick this over here. Okay, so we'll go back to the other stamps in a second. So these were these clicky stamps. So, oh my goodness, I just can't believe it. So they're not in the packaging. So what June said is, hey, I'm going to put something special in there for you. And I'm guessing that maybe these were from her video. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's take off. So it looks like they have a little bottom protector. They're self-inking. All right, let's try it. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. So what's cool with this, and I'll have to get used to it, I guess, is you know, if you have your bullet journal out and you're like, I need a flag or something else, you'll be able to stick those on there. So if you're like, oh, here's a note, and you like pop it up over here, you see a little flag, you can pop it on there. That's so awesome. Oh my goodness. This is the weather one. So all of the different little weather pieces. How cool is this? The smile on my face right now is just ear to ear. Oh, this is so awesome. Oh my gosh, June, you're amazing. You're absolutely amazing. Okay, so these are all the little pushy stamps. I am so thrilled about this. So this was weather, this was a stationery, this was like some flags and some notifications, and then more stationery. So in love. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, and then what I got over here, I'm not going to stamp all of these because you can pretty much see what they're going to look like here. But I got this one here. This says BGM. I'm not familiar with this brand, but I'll have to look more into it. So this one I got here just has a bunch of stationery on it. So we have like rolled up paper, ink bottles, envelopes, ink, books. We've got a little feather for some calligraphy, so some stuff. And what does this says? It sings to me in the night, I loved you. I loved you? That's, if you say so. That's what you say. I love you too. So this is awesome. All right, so I got these. So these will be joining me. I like this because I really felt like, you know, I'm doing a lot of stuff with like ink and paper and all of that. These are kind of, I don't want to say generic. They're not generic. They're like nothing. But I can use these kind of for anything. Here's a pen, stacks of paper and ink. Like I can really use these to put extra decoration onto my bullet journal, create some fun headers, you know, watercolor or write inside of these or paint or with brush pens. Like I have a lot of options. So that's why I got this one. And then the other one here, I just loved because, you know, I just love. These are still, again, BGM clear stamps. I didn't realize that I got two of the same brand. Now that I got them and I love the way they look, I'll have to read into them a bit more. So these were cool. These were like tickets and remind me a lot of like envelopes and things like that. So these were called stamps and tickets, which makes sense. So you got a piece of like parchment paper here. Tickets, definitely could utilize these. These would be cool for like weekly spread, and each day of the week could go inside one of these tickets. So just really loved that. So yeah, it's a fun little unboxing. I'll tell you that. I still cannot believe that she put these in here. This is amazing. So, yay. I'm so excited. So all of these are from Desk Gems. June was cool enough and included those, and then, was just bought these myself because I had to. It was like I went on there to buy these and they were sold out, but instead I ended up buying 2 clear stamps and one from Eric Small Things. So that was awesome. And then she sent me these. So, oh my goodness. Well, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for unpacking with me and checking these out. You'll be seeing a lot more of these inside of my bullet journal as we go through. I'm so excited. Like 4 of them. Like, how amazing is that? Like, I literally, like, my wildest dream was like, she probably has maybe one left somewhere, right? And she just doesn't have it on the store. But when I open this up and there is 4 of them in here, like, legit, like, the 4 that I was going to buy, how would she know that? How awesome is that? So I will be using these a lot more now, obviously. And believe me that as soon as these are available on her shop, I'm going to tell you about them. Like, I think once everyone sees how these work and you watch that video, you're just like, yes, yes, I need these stamps in my life. Like, not just because they're a little clicky, a little springy, but how cool is it that you literally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps in one little thing and you can put them on your pages that quickly? Like, that's awesome. So thanks again, June and Desk Gems, for being so cool and having the coolest stationery. I'm so happy that I found someone like in the United States that I can buy these from. I love plenty of other stationery stores. You all know that I do, but this just makes me extra excited. So again, Jude, thank you so much. That's so awesome. If you love this unboxing, make sure you check out this playlist right here of more unboxings because I'm a geek for stationery. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.